What are you doing?
Putting a sentence together. Look at this.
Stella loves Dory.
Oh, it warms my heart.
Stella loves Dory. Blank. A. This is a long word. Isn't that a long word?
This goes.
Dun, dun.
Did you push for record? Yeah.
So what you do is you pretend you're the other person, and you think what their next move might be.
It's a draw.
Good at
Good
this,
game.
Good
Shake
at
hands.
chess.
Now I'll make it.
Ooh, I want one of those on you.
Whoa.
Can I get one of those for
Okay.
Christmas?
That's
Mommy,
awesome.
this time I'll be
You were already.
This time I'll be upstairs.
Okay. Too cute.
Mommy,
Not
now
there.
I'll be the upstairs.
Okay.
I steal the photo.
Second round?
Yeah.
Or-
Oh, you want a second round?
I don't
Okay.
have
Okay.
that.
No. What is it? Say it.
Ready?
I saw the pumpkin sitting on the gate. First one said, oh my, getting late. Second one said, dear, what is in the air? Third one said, but we don't care. Second one said, yes, run and run and run. Third one said, I'm ready for some fun. Ooh, went to wind and out went the lake. And the 5 little pumpkins poured out of